Understanding API rate limiting.
API rate limiting is the process of controlling how many requests a client can make to a server in a given time frame. This prevents abuse, ensures fair resource usage, and helps maintain system stability. Rate limiting is essential in protecting APIs from overuse and providing consistent performance for all users.
Fixed window algorithm.
The fixed window method divides time into equal intervals, such as minutes or hours. Each user gets a set number of requests per interval. For example, 100 requests per minute. When the window resets, the count starts over. This method is simple, but can allow bursts at window boundaries, leading to uneven loads.
Sliding window strategy.
The sliding window approach smooths out the peaks allowed by fixed windows. It tracks requests over a moving time frame, recording each request's timestamp. A user can only make a certain number of requests within, say, the past minute, no matter when that minute starts. This provides more consistent throttling and prevents sudden traffic spikes.
Token bucket and leaky bucket algorithms.
The token bucket algorithm allows a burst of requests by accumulating tokens over time. Each request consumes a token. If tokens run out, further requests are limited. The leaky bucket method processes requests at a steady rate, queuing any overflow. Both strategies balance flexibility and control, making them robust for many API scenarios.
Choosing the right strategy.
Each rate-limiting method has trade-offs. Fixed window is simple, but may cause bursts. Sliding window offers smoother control. Allow bursts within set limits. Consider your API's traffic patterns, desired fairness, and complexity before choosing an approach that matches your use case and scalability needs.